The best camera will always be the one you have with you, but even by those standards, the iPhone remains a fantastic way to shoot stills. You probably have dozens of photos filling your iPhone's storage, and it's about time you put them to good use. Making a photo collage on your phone isn't just good for keeping memories, it also helps to share more photos on social media. Unfortunately, the standard Photos app on iOS doesn't make it easy to create a photo collage from your collection, but that doesn't mean you can't create something new. Instead, you'll have to turn to an outside app to create a photo montage, and we have some great options for you to pick from. Our favorite app for making collages on iOS also happens to be our favorite photo management app. Google Photos is one of the best products Google has shipped in the last 10 years, thanks to its free high-quality cloud storage and its smart photo management tools. Not only can you create manual montages in this app, but Google Photos can actually detect vacations, celebrations, and nights out to create montages and collages automatically. To create a collage, click on the For You tab in the app and select Collage at the top of the screen. Select 2 to 9 photos from your photo collection, then hit Create in the top right corner. Google Photos will automatically create a fantastic looking collage for your collection, which you can then edit with filters, light options, and anything else you want. When you're happy with your collage, you can share it with friends, save it to your phone, or even order it as a print through Google Photos by clicking the menu icon at the top and selecting Order Photo. Of course, if you aren't happy with the collages created by Google Photos, it's far from the only option on iOS. Layout from Instagram is another totally free app that lets you create collages specifically for sharing on the world's most popular photo sharing network. Meanwhile, Pick Collage continues to be one of the best ways to craft collages with a bit more control than what Google Photos gives you. It's hard to go wrong with any of these 3 options, so give them all a try to see which one meets what you're after. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering iOS and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.